This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video on my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the one and only Dogwifhat coin. Guys, this thing has been absolutely pumping the last few days. If we just break this down very quickly, today, yesterday, 3 days, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So pretty much in 8 days, it has gone up. Jesus, you could have made it 5 times your money already. This thing is sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap. And pretty much to make this easy, every dollar goes up is $1 billion more in. So once we hit the $2 mark, we're pretty much going to be at a $2 billion market cap. And this coin seems like it is one of the hottest prospects in terms of growing. The sad reality of Dogwifhat is that we're still early. Bitcoin still hasn't broke its all-time high, and it hasn't started to rally, and altcoin season isn't here, and Dogwifhat is already pumping this much. So you have to think about it. If it's pumping this much, what's going to happen when altcoin season comes around? When Bitcoin starts breaking out? And if we look at Solana, since it's tied to Solana, let's see how much more Solana can run up, right? Solana is only halfway to pretty much where it was last time around. Solana still has so much more to go and to break its highs. With all these indications, that's telling me this coin is absolutely going to pop off, and I would not be surprised if it hits around the $50 billion market cap. Based on previous cycles, we pretty much always doubled in money in the market. But with ETFs around the corner and things changing, we could even triple or quadruple the amount of money in the market. Since there's more adoption and there's more people coming in, there's going to be more money pumping in. So these coins are going to pump hella more. Think about it. A casual person, what is the first thing a casual person thinks about? It's probably a meme coin, Doge coin, Shiba, to the moon, diamond hands, right? This is what these people think about. And even though this is already a $1.73 billion market cap, this is still so damn early. All the indications, all the signs are right there, right? We need Solana to reach its highs and break it. We need Bitcoin to reach its highs and break it. Altcoin season isn't here. The retail traders aren't even here. And this thing is absolutely pumping. Now, I'm going to do a quick analysis and a breakdown of what's probably going to happen. So if we jump straight right into this, pretty much this area looks like it's a short-term resistance, right? Over here, you can tell we went down, but then we pretty much closed and made a support, right? So either a few things are going to happen. Either A, we're going to be bouncing between this area a little bit, and we're pretty much going to break out, or in the short term, we're going to push past this, and once we do, we're going to be looking for a retest and to fly further up, probably to $2.50 before we see some type of consolidation period again where we go sideways, right? You can tell pretty much when it went up here, we went from 95 cents to $1.30, and then we were going sideways for about a day, and then we went from $1.20 to pretty much $1.76, and now we're going to go sideways probably for a day or two at most. And then once we break past that, a realistic amount is probably the $2.30 mark before we start going sideways again. If, however, for some reason, we decide to top out here for a little bit, then areas where we could expect for a bigger, healthier pullback would be around the 61.8 zone, right? So this clunky area, this whole area pretty much is a nice big support area. And if we do have a healthier, bigger retracement, that just means we're going to have a bigger pump. I don't mind there being pullbacks and bigger, healthier pullbacks, because that means we're just going to spring and shoot further up. Like I said before, everything's like a catapult. The more you pull back, the more you're going to shoot further up. So this for Dogwifhat would look absolutely healthy. But if that does not happen, then we could definitely see it continuing to go up before we get some type of retracement. Now, I ain't a financial advisor, but we have to look at the facts, right? Meme coins have been absolutely pumping, right? Go to Pepe. Last time we looked, it was at 1.7 billion. Now it's at 2.4 billion, right? And this is the crazy and sad thing is this is still absolutely early. If we look at the Trump coin, $9.44. I just remember this thing being $6 the other day. Shiba, 13 billion. And then if we go to Dogecoin, last time I talked about it, it was at $20 billion market cap, and it's pretty much sitting the same. Now, two more popular ones we could look at are Bonk, right? Bonk the last day has gone up another 9%. And of course, 7 days glitched, nice. But if we look at the market cap, February 28th was 1 billion, and now we're almost at 2 billion. I mean, guys, Myro, my little Myro, it's at 16 cents now. I got in around like 10, 11, right? And this thing, this is the gem. This is the hidden gem. Me personally, I mean, we're only at 150 million market cap. Once we start going up and getting exposed, we'll reach a billion, and from a billion, we'll go easily to a couple billion. And guys, oh my God, I can't wait. Altcoin season might be the best return we might possibly see ever. I am so excited. Let me know what coins you hold, and I'll talk to you guys next time.